Get chased. Get chased. Miles in alive. Flag is running north through the center of the complex. I'm outside by this. Give the officer the channel. He just crossed Conway right now. He's got to be somewhere around here. I think that's what pursuit is. You stay where you last saw him and I'll set it up.
Yeah, where is he? Where is he?
No!
Where?
Just crossed from around here.
What's he look like?
He's a hotel wife, black hair, real estate share, tattoos.
What color's his shirt?
White.
He
He's got tattoos all on his right arm.
Hey, you see a guy running?
Where are you? I'm at Conway Watergun. Conway Watergun.
Jesus Christ. Hey, get down! Everybody get down! Get down! Get down! Everybody get back! Get back! He's over there! Behind the white SUV! White SUV!
We're in a gunfight right now.
Don't move!
He's behind the white SUV! White SUV! Move up! Move up!
He's down!
Move up!
He's seven! He's down!
Yo, hold on. Stand by. Stand by.
Take cover.
Watch the car! Somebody
Go.
take the car!
Where is he? Where is he?
Got all the units. Got the all guard.
He's down!
Stand by. Stand up.
Hey, get empty out here.
Hold on.
He's 7 obvious.
We're in front
We're in front of Olive Garden in the parking lot. Olive Garden in the parking lot. 1215, give me the channel. I need all units to shut down traffic on the right now. Going in front of the mall.
Hey, set it up!
Hey, go back over there. Don't let any cars through this way.
Get over to the channel.
God damn, bro.
Leave it here for now.
Someone's fucking chasing somebody. Don't speak on the goddamn radio. Fuck.
Hey, check back. Make sure they hit nobody, guys. Check that way. Make sure. Hey, check the restaurant. The bullets went in the window, guys.
I got it right here.
Get it clean down Conway.
You good, man?
Come on.
Where's your car?
I'm back at the mall.
You want Conway shut down that car?
Get in this Tyler thing out.
You alright? I'm good, man.
Hey, Green, can you get another channel for the traffic?
too? I shot him.
Okay. Put your gun is still out?
Yeah.
Decock it. Decock. Holster. Alright. You okay?
Yeah.
1217, 1214.
Hey, can we get tape? Start taping it off? Erica, you got him? Where's your truck at? Right there. Let's go sit in your truck. You got water? You got a drink?
Yeah, I got it.
1215, 1214. Guys. I'm going to go to the scene. You can take the other channel and shut down the traffic, please.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, this is me. You shot at me.
I'm going to take you over involved. We'll remain on scene, but he's not going to get off here.
Go relax.
Sorry. Unlock your car and put him in your car.
Warren, I'm 10-12. We're getting called.
Sit and start.
Yeah, I shot him. Return fire.
It's okay. You're all right.
1215, there. Go ahead. We still need the signal 43.
We still need a 43.
We got to have you clear. Everybody else is coming to 18. You can slow down. We have plenty of cops here. We do not need support either. I need the ingress that's inside the Olive Garden to open up. We need to get units in here. Temple. Where's my van? Warren, get on. Control 15, Control 17.
Oh. I'm still rolling. Let's keep
Let's
rolling.
get clear of
Turn it
you,
off. You're good. We can talk about anything, alright?